Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, Ngin wan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketnat Transports ke Sorkar Jela bak Sengau Halang Dhar hak Santri Urisa Orja Pesau. Ulaong bak Sorkar Jela kampat nok setia ya kajing terwa ban penpoi Ïakren Syarilum Khasi Jantia. Hak kajing Ïakren bagi patai kubor bak Sengau Halang Dhar ulaong bak Sorkar ke Khot Ïakren Biang ya ki Kynhun per bat kin sasyem ya karai nakaliang jo Sorkar. Komban chupen kan mau hang ni bak Sorkar pedeng kala terwa artli projek lintirel hak ni ke Jela. Kataban penpoye ke lintirel ke berjerong arpu kilometer lingba ke titilia bernihat. Bat ke lintirel na bernihat sesilong ke berjerong sispa pra kilometer.
Not abandon, we are yet to take a call because about railway, just like how always I used to reply to you from time to time. For railway issue, first of all we will try to take everybody on board, all the stakeholders. And if everybody is on board, then only we will take a call as well. The headman from that area, stakeholder, who are.